For word study today, we are going to do a Kuya board. Since there is only one of you, you're going to click the X, and then you will click Begin Player Game. So this is focused on context clues because that's what we've been doing in word study. And so you'll just click on one, and then it gives you answer choices. So A, B, C, and D. So you're going to choose one of these 4 answers to figure out what that word means. So let's try one together. The lake was quiet and serene. Would it be overflowing? Does that relate to quiet? I can tell that I'm going to be using a synonym for quiet. Overflow is not that. Peaceful, that would work. Blue, not a synonym for quiet. And muddy, also not a synonym for quiet. So you would type in the word peaceful. Oops. That is correct. So then you would go on to the rest of your board. So again, they give you the answer choices after the period. So this one would be the most, crazy, few, or coldest.